In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Steam to Discord. By the end, your Steam account will be connected to Discord, making it easier to show your friends what you're playing and to keep your gaming profiles in sync. Start by opening Discord on your computer or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Discord account you actually want to link, since the connection will attach to whatever account is currently active. Look to the bottom left corner of Discord next to your name and avatar. Click the small gear icon labeled User Settings. This opens a new panel with a list of categories on the left. Scroll until you see Connections, then click it. The Connections page is where Discord lets you link other services, and you'll see a grid of familiar logos. Find the Steam icon and select it. As soon as you do, a Steam login window should appear. It might open as a pop-up or as a new browser tab, depending on your setup. If nothing appears, check whether your browser blocked a pop-up and allow it, then try again. Also, be sure you're on the official Steam sign-in page before entering any details. Sign into your Steam account in that window. Use your standard Steam credentials and only enter them in the official Steam interface. If Steam asks for additional verification, such as a code from your authenticator, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This is normal security behavior from Steam. After you've entered your information, Steam will ask you to confirm that you want to allow Discord to connect. Review the prompt, then click Sign In or Allow to continue. This permission lets Discord display limited account information like your profile and the games you're playing, so your friends can see your activity. You can revoke this access later if you change your mind. Once you confirm, you'll be brought back to Discord's Connections page. You should now see your Steam account listed there, which means the link worked. If you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds or refresh Discord. From here, you're all set. The connection is active and will stay that way unless you disconnect it. If you run into issues, make sure both Discord and your browser are up to date, temporarily disable aggressive pop-up blocking, and verify you're logged into the correct accounts. If you accidentally linked the wrong Steam account, you can disconnect it from the same Connections page and repeat the process. That's it. You've successfully linked Steam to Discord. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games showing up seamlessly in Discord.